What is the difference between IRR and ROI? While both IRR and ROI are used to measure performance of an investment, they are different in terms of their usage, methodology, and calculations. When faced by the decision whether to go for the new project or not, companies often use these techniques to assess the feasibility of the project. ROI, or return on investment, is percentage increase or decrease of an investment. Let's try to understand this with the help of an example. If you have invested 100,000 rupees in a project and now that investment is worth 140,000 rupees, then your ROI will be 40%. One of the flaws of using ROI for investment performance measurement is that it does not take into account the time period over which the return is being calculated. For example, is 40% ROI good or not? That depends. 40% ROI in a year is very good, but 40% ROI in say 40 years does not seem like a very wise investment. IRR is little bit more complicated than ROI. In finance terms, IRR is the rate at which NPV of sum of future inflows equals to the sum of initial investment. It indicates the annualized rate of return of a given investment over a certain period of time using the given cash inflows or outflows over that period. IRR does not have a fixed formula and has to be found using hit and trial method. If you have invested 100,000 rupees and it generates annual profit, you will discount those future profits to arrive at the IRR. IRR can be calculated using spreadsheets. Let's assume that you have made an investment of 100,000 rupees. Now this investment will generate profits every year for the next 5 years. In year 1, the profit will be 20,000 and it will increase by 5,000 every year, eventually reaching 40,000 in year 5. Now we will calculate IRR of this investment using the built-in function in spreadsheets. IRR brackets, we will select all the values of investments and it will give us the IRR of this investment, which is 13.45%. Let's have a look at the key differences between IRR and ROI. ROI calculates performance of an investment from start to finish, one point to another. IRR calculates annualized rate of return of investment by using future cash flows. IRR is the rate at which NPV of sum of future inflows equals to the sum of initial investment. ROI is calculated by using the formula net worth minus initial investment divided by initial investment multiplied by 100. IRR takes into account time value of money, while ROI does not. ROI only calculates total return on investment from beginning to the end of investment period. Since ROI does not account for the time value of money, it can only be used to calculate return over 1 year time. IRR can be used to calculate multi-year return on investments.